How to remove payment method on iPhone 2023. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to be showing you how you can remove the payment method you've added on your iPhone in the easiest way. So to start things off, you're going to go over to your app store and you're going to make sure to go in your accounts. And once you go in your accounts, you're going to go over to your Apple ID. And once you go over to your Apple ID, you're going to want to make sure that no purchases are pending in your Apple ID section. Now, in the case that they are, please do remove them. And once you do that, go over to your settings. You're going to go to your Apple ID over here. You're going to go into payment and shipping to your Apple ID, okay? And in payment and shipping, what's simply going to happen is they're going to, take the details of whatever your payment settings are. Let me just access it through Touch ID. And in this section, what you're going to do is you're going to simply remove all your details. And yeah, you should be pretty much good to go. So just remove all your details, remove the payment method from here. And that is how you're going to remove the payment method from your Apple in the easiest way. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.